Two 200-kilowatt fuel cell modules have been installed on the Hydra Ferry. The Ballard fuel cells that have been installed on Norwald's MF Hydra passenger ferry are Ballard's DNV type approved 200-kilowatt kW FC Waveit modules. The ferry will be the first in the world to be powered by PEM fuel cells running on liquid hydrogen. What makes the successful installation of the Ballard fuel cells particularly noteworthy is that the Hydra ferry, located in Norway, is the first in the world to be powered by PEM fuel cells that operate on liquid hydrogen. Ballard Power Systems, NASDAQ, BLDP, FC Wave TM is a unique product. It is an industry-first zero-emission module designed for primary propulsion in marine vessels, including passenger and car ferries, fishing boats, and river push boats. The module delivers megawatts of power for marine vessels in 200-kilowatt increments. The installation of the Ballard fuel cells showcases multiple benefits. The ferry's two Ballard fuel cells have been integrated into a clean-lined cabinet featuring easy-access doors. The fuel cells' interfaces can be accessed from the front, making them easy to service and maintain, with all connections below floor level. The installation of Ballard's FC Wave TM fuel cells on board MF Hydra is not only showcasing how efficiently zero-emission operation of ships can be implemented, said Ballard Power Systems product line manager for Marine, Thomas Thurkild Peterson, in a Ballard market update. We are also able to show how user-friendly the actual fuel cell installation setup looks like from an operator's perspective. According to Thomas Thurkild Peterson, the unique fuel cell module is a true plug-and-play solution. It replaces conventional combustion ship engines with optimal zero-emission tech. In addition to being high-powered, the engine is adaptable and designed as a hybrid electric system where fuel cells and batteries work together to deliver efficient and zero-emission operation. In a nutshell, this is really zero-emission made easy, he said. FC Wave TM has a DNV type approval certification. This certification validates that the design meets the marine industry's strict demands, including safety, functional, design and documentation requirements. The first test run of the MF Hydra equipped with the Ballard fuel cells will take place next month, December 2022. The ferry can take up to 299 passengers and 80 cars. It will sail the triangular route between Hjelmeland and Skipavik in Norway. Thank you for following Hydrogen Fuel News. Make sure to hit subscribe and click the link within the description to get our free ebook.